Show. I'm Drew, this is Dad Lee, and today we are playing Guess That Noise.
Yep.
So, Guess That Noise, I don't think there's any explanation.
Yeah. No words, just a noise.
1 minute timer.
Right.
There's 3 noises on the card.
Right.
One is 1 point, one is 2 points, one is 3 points.
Okay.
And obviously, it's the harder the noise is the more points. Do a few rounds, and whoever gets the most points wins.
Okay. See how we go.
I'm just going to give these cards a bit of a shuffle. Want me to go first? Or I'll get you go first. Cast the timer. No, don't look at it yet. I'll give you time to.
No, you ain't got to fucking put that on.
I fucking do.
Fucking.
You've got it on for 10 minutes.
Yeah, because you be fucking.
You've got it on for 10 minutes, son. You're going to be getting all the points. Really? Fucking wrong.
Ready? You got to
You
pressure.
cheater.
Go on, ready? 1, 2.
No, I do.
Go on then.
3, 2, 1. Buzzing bee. Bee. Fly.
Yes. No.
Airplane. You can't do any. Airplane. Helicopter. Car. Hang glider.
Way.
Roller coaster.
Yes.
Clock.
High heels. So I've got 3 points.
You've got the first 2.
3 points.
3 points. Going all.
Yeah, well, how can you fucking... And the last one was high heels. How can you fucking make a noise for high heels? Come. Right. 3, 2, 1. Fly. B.
Yes.
Hoover.
Yes! I don't even know what this is.
Well, you've got to try it.
I don't even know what it is, though.
If you don't know what it is, how can you do the fucking noise?
I don't know what it is.
A car?
I'm gonna.
No. Well,
have to
you
do
got
the
3
next
points.
car.
No, that's it. No, if you don't know what it is, you're silly as fucking arsehole. What is it?
A velociraptor. Velociraptor.
Ah, yes.
What is it? What is it, though?
It's like a machine.
Oh, that's wrong. Exactly. You don't know what it is. That's not fair.
3 all.
That's
3 all.
fucking
No,
wrong.
if you don't know what it is, you're fucking gone. They call them quick.
3, 2, 1. Car horn. Goose. A horn. Car horn. A horn. Like a clown's horn.
Yes, clown on, yeah. Ah, bollocks. I don't even know what it is.
Well, if you don't know what it is, you don't know what it is.
Well, I'll go down to the last one.
Pull it down the stairs.
No. No good laughing, you can't. You've got to try and answer it, you can't.
A car backing up.
Ah, a jackhammer. What's that? What's a metronome? No.
Metronome.
Yeah, what's a metronome?
It's a metronome.
Yeah, but what is a metronome?
It's a gnome. That's metro.
Cunt.
I don't know.
So I only got 1 point there.
Yeah.
So I've got 4.
You got 4 and I've got 3.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Drums.
No.
Cymbal. Cha. Dancing.
Dale. Dale.
Maracas.
Yes.
Cow. Cow. Horse.
Don't sound like it.
Elephant.
Yes. Oh, it don't even make a noise.
Seagull.
Beep, 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 beep.
What was it? Guinea pig.
It was a computer booting up.
Oh,
It don't even make a noise.
that's bollocks, that one. Well, you got
I
two
got
there.
3 points, so I've got 6 points.
And I've got
4.
4.
Right, you ready? Final round.
Got it.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Donkey.
Yes.
Firework?
You can't say no words, can you?
No.
Firework.
Firework? Racing car driving by. Tractor.
Right, let's go down to the next one. Next one. Ding ding.
Microwave.
Ding ding. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah. Ding ding.
Timer.
Ding ding.
Boxing.
Yeah, boxing match.
Boxing belt.
Yeah, I've got that's 3 points. And the first one, I got 4 points. Other one was breaking glass. How can you make a name a sound of breaking glass?
That's what the game is.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Moo.
Cow.
Yes.
Oh, that's fucking hard, wasn't it? Fucking hell. Racing car.
Yes.
Fucking hell.
Oh, snip, 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 snip. Oh no, that's wrong.
Hairdryer.
Yes!
Fucking hell. That fucking 3-year-old could have done them. I've got breaking glass. You got fucking cow. Fucking
So that gave me 6 points, so I'm 12 points. That makes me the winner.
Okay, wait, go have one more. Go have one more. I'm sorry, because it ain't fair.
That's cheating.
No, it ain't cheating. You got to have one
You're
more.
a sore loser.
I ain't a sore loser.
You are a
It's
fucking
bollocks.
sore loser.
I've got breaking glass. You got a cow.
No, that was different
Well, you
categories,
got a
though.
fucking Hoover. You got a hairdryer.
I had a very copter.
That's only because I'm more intelligent answering
You're
the
not.
questions. I'm your fucking am.
Fucking cheat. 3, 2, 1.
Boo-boo. Cuckoo. Coo.
A cuckoo bird.
Coo. Coo.
A bird. A pigeon.
I'll get that. Wood pigeon, yeah.
French bulldog.
Meow. Meow.
A cat. A leopard. Snow leopard. A lion.
Meow. Meow.
A lion.
Meow. A fucking lion going meow. Fucking hell. Meow.
Tiger. Meow. Cat. Siamese cat. Alley cat. Fighting cat.
Yes, cat fight.
Lawnmower.
Blender. So I've got 3 points there.
So that would bring you 8, 9, 10, 11.
So I'm 1
that's
point
still
ahead.
under. So I've got this one for me is like a free bonus round, really.
Ah, fucking meow, a lion. Fucking arseholes. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Nino, Nino,
Please stop.
Nino. Yeah.
Kettle. Drum. Flute. Organ.
I ain't gonna get it.
Go on to the next one, because you ain't got a fucking clue. Fuck. Shower. Oh, it's cleaning. Hose pipe. Washing. You only got 1 point there.
That makes me 13.
What was the last one?
Spray paint. And the one that was 2 points. Harp.
A fucking harp don't go like that.
How's it go then?
This goes like a piano. Ding, 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 ding.
No, it only
ding,
goes.
Yeah, but you could have done a tune. How do I like? It's fucking bollocks. Mind you, it's your point anyway. That's fucking hard, you know.
That's
because
good though.
I can't change
You
my
can't
voice.
do any, like, not words or actions.
Well, I know that. I said meow when you said a fucking lion. It's fucking
Lion's
bollocks.
part of the
That's
cat
fucking
family,
cheating.
not a
That's
female
fucking
lion.
cheating. That's cheating. You
Not
didn't,
cheating. You're
you
so loser.
you didn't want to get the answer right because it would have given me 2 points.
No, it's nothing to do with like that at all.
Meow. Lion.
You sound like you're in pain.
Lion. Goo, goo. When I done the pigeon, you went goo, goo, goo. A fucking cuckoo. I would have gone cuckoo. Yeah, that was a
No, because
cuckoo.
you did. You
I
said
went, Goo, goo,
you went cuckoo.
goo,
You did. You went cuckoo.
goo, cuckoo. I did go
You
cuckoo.
fucking did. I fucking
I
tell
went,
you there.
Goo, goo.
Well,
That's fucking hard, that is.
well, it made me laugh.
Well, fucking glad you did, and I got beat. Cunt. How's that a fucking harp?
Yeah, but some of yours you did.
Ah, well, it's
What
fucking
about the
cheating.
fucking the roller coaster and the high heels? The high heels didn't sound like it at all.
Well, I didn't get the fucking points. How can you
A
make a noise?
jackhammer. A jackhammer.
Yeah, that's a bum, 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 bum. That's a fucking
That's
jackhammer.
wrong. That's wrong. Now, mind you, your boxing match was good when I got it.
Ding,
finally.
ding.
You gotta have a fucking laugh. You?
Nah, well, it's cheating and I got beat. It's
Ain't
bollocks.
cheating
It's
at
fucking
all.
bollocks.
Not
It's
cheating
bollocks.
at
All
all.
bollocks. Some of them are hard.
Well, I didn't know fucking whatever those 2 words were. I didn't know what they were. Do you know?
No, I ain't got a fucking clue.